I'm doing here is replacing the fog light bulb on a 2019 F-150. What you're going to end up doing is, you can see it through there, but we're going to take this little inner wheel skirt out. There are 3 5.5 millimeter screws that we're going to take out of here. With those 3 screws removed, we'll take this little crowned push pin here and we'll pull that out of there. Helps if you turn your wheel to the end there, gives you a little extra room. So now we can just push this inner skirt back, take our electrical connection and disconnect that. Pull this tab down. Now we'll take and rotate this counterclockwise 1/4 of a turn. Okay, I have our new bulb here. You do not want to touch the glass because the oil on your fingers will make the bulb burn out quicker. So we'll place it in there and in this position, push it all the way in and then rotate it clockwise. Okay, have our new bulb in there, rotated it, clicked into the position. Now we'll take our electrical connection, plug it in. Then we'll go ahead, put our skirt back on there and put our 3 5.5 millimeter bolt screws back in and that 1 push pin. Okay, I have those 3 screws in there. I take our push pin, push that in there, push that down. We're all set.